older load combination of 1.4D plus 1.7D. Again, this is for discussion purposes. We're using 1.4, 1.7. Amo ni before 2010 code, no, and 2001. So, although tsada siya in terms of design, kay conservative kayo, the problem with that is that we yield a very expensive design. Okay, i-amplify din mo, dugang na 40% sa imong dito versus sa karon is 20% talaga. Inigit kay 70%. So almost times 2 na, no? Kini lugar mo kamutanan times 2 kimali ang anticipate mo. So that would yield into although conservative na design pero expensive, no? So that's why they lowered in the subsequent rules. So 60% na lang. Pero the allowance is still there. Okay, so what do you do with that? So PN, actual na ito, is equals to, so ito, 0.8, or you want the PO first? Para tayo ganito sa PO is equals to 0.85 MC prime of your concrete, or the net area of your concrete, which means this is gross area minus steel plus Fy is T. And then it's tide man, so if tide, so you will have 0.8 of time Pm is equals to 0.8 of your PO. Okay? Basically 0.8 times. Okay? And then the design strength is for PU, you have 0.65 times your PM. Okay, so that kind of factors into that. Okay? So na ba na we have your force manino, I mean stress equals to force of that area, so we need to determine our area of concrete first. Okay. So sama na siya pag-determine. So you have your stress here, so concrete manino, so this is for concrete. So this is also the stress for your concrete. In this case, the stress of your concrete is this one, 25 MC prime. 25 times 20. 20 equals to Vg times what's this? This is 1.4 times 1,000. 100,000 newtons na nito. So like convert that 85, so this is 20 newtons lang po rin, newtons per square meter. So para may muna siyang newton, so 1,000 ba yun? Plus 1.7 of kaso na ito. 800,000 plus 1.7 times 1,000 Vg is equals to Vg is equals to 165 na sir, na isa. 8 2.25 another 5 square millimeter. Okay? So, kulang yung problem mo. Kasi yung sa shape. So, let's just say that's a square column na lang. Ay, ang nito, tile square column na lang. Okay. Although theoretically, pwede lang na, no? 407.29, pero awayin mo kung ba na 4 months. So, 410. 410, talas po kinagpurma. 400, di pwede 400. Kay mubos naman, mababa naman. So, it's either 425 or 450. It's just use 450 or 450 mangyayari. So, you can use 450 and so square man is 450 by 450 na tayo siya na square 450 by 40. So, na kay gross area. Okay. So, sa may sunod dali, we need our area of our steel. Okay, so how do we do that? So, naman kay kung ato na siyang i-rewrite, ato dalahin na talaga. So, ilan siya? You have 0.8 pero napag-yoy 0.65. So, equals, ito dahil PU ninyo is this one. Okay? PU is bilang 1,800,000 plus 1.7 million. Ilaman ilan? 2,820 eh. Initial is 2,820 lang lang. Okay, so to determine your area of steel, you need to have that equation. In this one, in enclosed area, you will not use this. Pili niyo yung dito. Hindi mo na maniin yung i-assume mo nga value. This is now 450 by 4. So, pila ang ES? Mana? Solve na natin. Yung calculator na solve na. Square millimeter. So the same answer with the others. The same answer with the others. Okay. So let's check mo kung sulod ba niya sa allowable. We have to check if it's within the 1% and 8% niya steel ratio. So check for steel ratio. Okay, basin may ubos na siya sa 1%. So you have to check. So steel ratio is EST over EG. So ilawala siya. EST is this one. 6998.51 divided by 450 by 450. 0.0346. So that's it's equals to 3.46%. So that's okay, no? Although medyo mahal lang, no? Takot ako yung steel ratio. But it's within the allowable, so it's okay. So, ilan man ay kabuo? naman siya nag-specify ng diameter, so kamoy magbuot. But we need to have it in such a way na tsada yung last start. Okay. There are times ng good na when you compute for the number of rebars, okay, so automatic mag-permite na yung upat sa kilid. Okay, na. Pero there are cases na pag-compute ninyo, 5 ka buo. 5 na, ano ba? Wala ka ang other. So either yung dugangan or select mo nahin na diameter. So yung dugangan, you need to reach and create this ratio. Tapos lakas na sila. Let's try. Tanahan ito sa itsura niya. So, for columns, usually it's 16 mm, 20 and 25 and 28. No? So, 450 by 450 man siya. 16. Let's try 16. 16. Now what's next? 20, 25. Alam na ito lang, 16, 20. So, pilay area na. Pilay area na. 16. Dotted one. 6. This one. 314.16. This one.
Ito bito.
490.
Try galit.
90?
Time.
6%.
60.
So, pila ka book N na ni? So, ano yung compute for N? So, N is 699.
698.22.
8.51 divided by the area of the report.
So 16 small is 34.
Pila?
34.81.
34.81. So this will now round up per minute. So this will now become 35 pieces. That one.
Capture 22.28.
22.28. So that's 23. Pila?
40.26.
14.26. So this is 15. Okay, let's try, no? So let's try if so you need to remember na ang atom spacing is not greater than 40. Ano ika?
1/1.
Diameter of the bar ko. And 4/3 of the
After
16 zero.
1.8.
Oh, 25. 25.
Then 40.
40. So let's try no if what is kaya. So if 16 kasi kaya. 35 sama value. Pag na siya no, when you design or when you place the rebars, dapat pwede no even siya at all corners. So 35 divided by 4.
8.75.
8. Tinag 8 bar 8 murang 36. No? Mapilaw na siya. Tuloy kayo.
Kung 36 ito, pag-ibig.
So, musigo ba na siya? Let's try. No? So, 40 plus 10. So, this one is the cover. This one is the stirrup plus 8 kabuok na 16. Plus 40 plus 10 na po, plus 40, no? Para din eh. Ilan na din? 450. 222. 222 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, spacing. 31 na lang. Di man siya dapat mo lapas. So, 31.7 lang. Ayan. So, may actual spacing ang 16. So, x na siya din ni ilan ni 1.5 times 16? 24.
Yes,
So, easy siya. Pero di man, dapat, pila ni 4. Let's say, 3/4 man ang kasagaran. So, this is 25 mm, 1 inch.
33.32.
3/4 inch man ang atong abbreviation. So, 3/4 times 4/3 equals to 1 inch. 1 inch is 25.4 millimeter. So, say, pato, dili siya
Shall not be less than the radius of
the least, ani.
5.
Ini dapat, no? 31 man siya. Kaya lah. Satu ba? Musigo na ba? 31 lang ang actual. So, kaya rin siya. Nagalang kayo. Mabuti ni. Ang problema po dami kay pag-gaya, no? Si Tagay. Nagagay mong i-assemble. How about the other? Pwede na, no? Okay, kaso, pero marang ganda kay what else? If 23 po. 23 divided by 4.
5.75.
6. Ilan ang 6? 20 lang available for 60. Magawa kayo choice yun. Okay, so our design is 450 by 450 column reinforced with let's say 23 ka 20 mm diameter. What's the still ratio for that? 23. So still ratio is 23 times 314 divided by 450 by 450. Ilan? Times 100. Para percent. 3.57%. So, increase siya naman, no? 3.4 man ito, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Increase siya naman. So, 3.57. So, it's okay, no? It's okay. It's within the 8%. Pero kung ako na siya, no? Kung based on experience, medyo ano siya, no? Takot na yun siya. Hindi dako niya siya because dako mong budang ako area. And if you notice, dako kayo ang ato dito. So, imagine yun ang 800 kilo yun, no? Imagine, imagine, so 800,000 newtons divided by 10.81. Maraming kilo.
81,549.
81,000? Pila? 81,549
549.
549 kilos. valid? No? Newton divided by kilos. So let's say, ilan man ka kilo? Kanang dili, pamakan. 60. O divide by 60. 1,359. So 1,359 ka-berry. Daghan kaayo. No? That's how you compute or approximate the kilos. Okay, so mo nang dako gamit dako atong na buha nga loading, I mean nga area. Ang problema na is if i-restrict sa architect ang size ng column, which is always the case. No? So what my choice, you know, to proceed right away to the steel, but you have to balance the what I mean is you have to ang yung steel ratio ba? Kasi kayo na po, ito tayo gaman. Okay? So that's how you, simple lang, because actually loaded on it. So complicate it's a gamay here. So let's see, answer ni sa text na discuss mo ni before.
Yes, sir.
Saan answer?
Naman ang mga kainan, nag-i-time lang.
Ha? Da? Alay mo da?
Alay.
Alay. Kailangan ni. Ito gumot lang ni Agya. Siya natin. 28. Ah, 28. No, 28. Ang dami. It depends. So that's why in the ethics, ethical standards for practicing CAs, especially sa structural engineering, we're not allowed to change the design of a fellow engineer. We're not allowed unless it terminates sa client ang inyong contract. So ako lugar, kita ko sa iyang trabaho na kung ano, hindi gamit kay 28. Hindi ko pwede mo ingon nga, yun na iya sunda. Ano yan ako? 116. Okay? That's not allowed in the code of ethics CE. Okay? So I don't know if nala sa inyong laws. Sa laws sa CE, no, kanagaling ko na kung kayo paano ethics. I don't know say, but usually I see those model is project man, building, no? So more that sense. So it depends on yung question. It's ano mundo na imong yung kawali mo imusundo na inside mo. So unless we specify sa problem na yung gamiton is this particular bar, so kana siya. Okay. So spacing, this is the spacing. Nakita mo yung spacing. 16 lagi na tapos I think this is the one stirrup na niya 16 to 28. Yes, this is the stirrup na. So 48 yes. Asa mga barato? Kuan. Actually ako na siya i-compare sa actual kung material siya hindi tayo na yung differential. Pero sa labor, mag-matter. Okay, the more daghan ni kang bukuson, may increase man ang labor. So, bilang ko na siya. Kung tanaw natin isa sa side ko yun, sila nakabook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kung niya itong spacing sa stirrup, mga gipwede, 20 lang. Ako na 150, no? 150 ang yung 4 meters na ta. So, kada isa lang, puso nyo. No? Kana, kung isa lang katuyong ang stirrup. Pero in this case, kadaghan naman is, so you will have multiple cross tie, siguro kanilin isa. Pwede mo, tuyong isa. Okay, para mag-apos ang alternate. Kung nataya na. Or bansa kay matagin siya ng hindi ka pwede mag-diamond na. Bilang ako, so instead mahuman siya sa kadlaw, doon ka hadlaw. may kaso. May kaso. Sa labor siya na tao. Okay, so katong gamay ra na kuan, gamay ra bukuson. Mura. Auto yung i-consider. Okay? So far, the same as at siya mo. 699. Hindi mo yan 25. Ayan, i-check 25 and 50. That's the spacing. No, that's the one. Let me see. That's the I think this one. 16. Appears pa na. Not sure asan na po. 48 times the diameter of the bar. It should be 24. So this one is an old book. Old book is a God circular. So I think this one siya dapat 8 times the diameter of the smallest na lumito din ako. So sa iya ganyan na is 16 times 28 na added diameter. And then I 24 na lang instead of 48. And then you have your 300 na lang siya dapat. LO man. So this one is spacing. So nausap na siya sa okay. Yes. Bandol, hindi ka magbandolan yun. Ini siya, that's to increase the spacing between the bars. Ini siya, ibig sabihin na sa corner tanay. Hindi kaya po. At naman eh, ibandol man yung nilaan sa siya magtindog. Tan, tindog tayo. So, tulo ka 20 mm, subugat na sa require na natin pinakaligo para matindog. Plus, magpa-isa ka niya. Isa mga. Although, if necessary nyo, once pa mo nakabandol, that was enough yun. Kaya requirement sa PIM, deny mo ko pamilya. Hindi mo gusto ng usahan sa neutral axis na PIM. So, in future, so, dimando na ako mo. So, nag-vivo ang format. Hindi din engineer.